Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check profit on Robinhood app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to check your profits, you need to go to the stocks that you have purchased before. You can explore from the stock list, or you can even search for the stocks. From the search results, tap on the stocks that you've purchased. It'll open up the stock page. Here, you can see different informations related to your stock. You can see the daily graph. You can even adjust the timelines. You can see all the descriptions about the stock in this page. If you have purchased this stock, then when you scroll down, you'll see your position section. In that section, you can see what number of shares that you have purchased, the market value, the average cost, and right below that you can see today's return, and you'll see the amount of money beside that like this. So that's the amount of profit that you have in your portfolio from this stock. And that is how you can easily check your profit on Robinhood app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.